What is osmosis? So osmosis is a process in which there is movement of water from higher concentration region to the lower concentration region, and it takes place through selectively permeable membrane. Okay, so it is like, you can also say that it is just like or special case of diffusion. Why special case? Because in osmosis medium is always water. Okay, so movement of water from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. So let's move to question number 15. This is a experiment, osmosis experiment. Here you need to take 4 potato halves, and that should be peeled, meaning outer skin has to be removed. And again you have to take out that potato, you have to scoop it out and make cups from that potato. And out of this 4, you have to take 1 potato as boiled potato. So there are 4 potato cup, out of which D cup, let's say it is of boiled potato cup. So how the experiment is done? You have kept cup A empty. It does not have anything in it. And in cup B, you have just put 1 tablespoon of sugar. In cup C, in place of sugar, you have put 1 teaspoon of salt. While in cup D, which is made up of boiled potato, you have put 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay. Then you have just left it undisturbed for 2 hours. What is your observation? There is some water which gathered in cup B and C. So why the water gather in cup B and C? This is the first question. Any ideas? So see, cup B and cup C is like your hypertonic solution. Okay. So what happens if potato is placed in hypertonic solution? Then it will lose water. So water get gathered in the hollow portion. Okay, so let's move to the second part. Why is potato A necessary for this experiment? See, we have kept potato A as empty. So it does not have sugar, it does not have salt. So just to have a control setup, we want to like compare it with other cup. So how can we compare? We can see it is empty. So we can see there is no change, or you can just think of isotonic solution. So there is no net movement of water. You cannot see any osmosis in cup A. While when you look at cup B and C, you can see they are behaving like hypertonic solution. So water will get in that hollow portion. Okay, so let's move. Explain why water does not gather in hollow out portion of A and D. So see, A is isotonic solution. So there is no net movement of water. And if I talk about potato cup D, then it is boiled. So boiled has like denatured the cell membrane. So cell membrane get disrupted. So there will be no osmosis because see osmosis require a semi-permeable membrane. And when we have boiled the potato, there will be no cell membrane left. So it dies. So there will be no osmosis because for osmosis there should be a cell membrane. So during boiling of potato, it get disrupted. So these are all the questions of our chapter Fundamental Unit of Life, and I hope both of you have understood all the answers.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay, is there any particular doubt which is there in your mind?
Then can you once again explain exo-osmosis?
Yes, exoosmosis meaning water in the surrounding, the concentration of water in the surrounding is less than
Okay, ma'am.
inside the cell. So inside the cell there is more concentration of water. So water will move out of the cell and the cell will shrink. Cell will become smaller in size.
Okay,
That
ma'am.
is called exoosmosis. And if I talk about endoosmosis, water will enter the cell. तो आपको बस यही याद रखना है, ऑस्मोसिस है मतलब वाटर कहाँ जाएगा, हायर कंसंट्रेशन से लोअर कंसंट्रेशन पर with the help of semi permeable membrane.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Is there anything which you want to ask to me, any of your doubts, whatever you find difficult?
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
I'm saying you can ask me anything.
And the last class one also.
Yes, from last class, whatever you wish, you feel like that topic.
Ma'am, there was a question, ma'am, the last question that we did.
Okay, please read that question.
Ma'am, it was ma'am something like ma'am, if a person takes higher concentrated salt solution, ma'am, he starts vomiting. Ma'am, the reason can you tell again, ma'am?
Yeah. So that happens because of exoosmosis. So whenever a person is like drinking salty water, then what happen? It is like hypertonic solution for him. So whenever he is drinking hypertonic solution, then alimentary canal will
Okay, ma'am.
like remove all the water from its body. So that person might vomit, might show dehydration or diarrhea. So anything can happen, but water should come out in any form. So that is called exoosmosis. So that I told
Okay,
you in
ma'am.
yesterday class also, that if children accidentally put some bad things in their mouth,
Yes,
then
ma'am. The
doctor,
doctors prescribe them to take
yeah, salty
concentrated
water, so that
solution.
they vomit out that toxic material from their mouth.
Okay, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything else? Anything, Leona or Divyansh?